Hello guys. So if you're looking how you can close your Lloyd bank account, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. Now for this video I'm going to show you in pictures how you can do this. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply log into your Lloyds bank account. Then after you have logged in your home page, you will find the option called more actions over here. So what you have to do is just simply click that. Then after you click on more options, you will have a new side panel open where you will have the option to close account. As you can see over here, this will be under account services. So now just simply click on close account. After that, you will be redirected to the closing page of your account. So over here, if you have any balance left in your account, over here you will have an option to transfer that balance to another account that is linked with your current phone number or any other ID. So if you don't have any balance, as you can see over here, I don't. So over here you will not be asked to transfer any type of amount to your other accounts. So after you're done with that, choose a reason why you want to close your account. So after doing that, choose a reason why you want to close your account, then hit continue. Then after that, over here you can review all the settings and changes that you have made, and in the end just simply hit confirm after checking all of the details is correct or not. So after hitting confirm, it will take up to 24 hours to close your account. After 24 hours your account will be closed. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.